Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily change your status in Slack. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just be in Slack, and when you're going to be here, you want to go to right top corner, and then you're going to see update your status here. And what do you want to do? Like, you can simply, for Marcus Tonelius, you can choose, or you can add your own status. Feel good. And you just add here the emoji next to it. Click save. And this is pretty much how we do it. So this is how you can set status, or how you can change your status in Slack. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. You know how it works, you know how it goes, and yeah.